Hi, thanks for tuning in today. Today, this is a very exciting moment because this video that you're about to watch marks the first video in a series of videos that's going to document my entire process of building a 16 by 20 timber frame barn. My wife has an old pottery barn that is just a little too rustic. She needs a working space that's a little bit more finished, something that's really nice where we can get all of her pottery stuff into one area, and she has a functional shop. In this video, we're going to be moving 7 hickory logs. 7 hickory logs will then be turned into what's going to be the flooring in the timber frame structure. And you can see it's a very beautiful wood. I'm not sure what this black spots are. I'm sure it's some type of insect that's came in and embedded themselves into the log. Whatever the case may be, it's beautiful. I love it. It's going to make such a beautiful floor. So I found this logging arch on Facebook Marketplace about a year ago. I've been looking for one of these for many years, and this one, it didn't have wheels. They had actually taken the wheels off of this arch. So this thing sat in a field rusting for probably 3 years before I came along. So when I bought it, I sanded all the rust off of the arch. I painted it and then welded all the mechanisms that were needed to put the actual crank on. So it makes life so much easier. If you're on the fence about getting a logging arch, it saves your back, it saves time, it's safer. There's just too many advantages to list right now. An elevated platform with wooden ramps, and on those wooden ramps, I can move my logs up to the table, and it also serves as a logging or a milling queue, so I can put logs in queue down the ramp, so when I finish milling one log I can move on to the next log very quickly, very easily. It stores them in a way like today we have 7 hickory logs. I had to sort through, and now I have them all in one place and I can mill them and stack them in the area that you see behind me.